Hello everybody, remember me? It's been a while. Even though it's been a while, for those of you that were following me way back during lockdown, I was tracking the fox, and I've come out today for the first time in months, and I've just come into the sort of meadow where I used to come sort of tracking the fox. And first thing I noticed when I got into the meadows was the aroma. I could smell the fox. So don't know, is that the parent? Is that one of the cubs that's grown up? Who knows? But yeah, I just thought I'd come out. I've just finished work. It's about, well, it's about 10 past 8 I think. Just about sunrise. I managed to catch the sun just coming up. I didn't get it on film though. So yeah, just sort of come out and check how everything is, see if anything's changed. So let's go and have a look. Still as muddy as ever. This was, oh, strong scent there. I'm getting close to the den area. I have seen the fox in these fields, and we're not far from the kestrel's nest box as well, so we'll go and check that out. But yeah, it's very wet, it's very muddy, but it's still the same. I'm operating the camera with basic functions today. I've not used a gimbal for a long while, and it turns out that the app that links the phone, which is what I'm using now, to the gimbal, and gives you loads of sort of panning functions and that I use all the time, I don't have them anymore. So I'm just using the camera app on the phone, and I can turn the camera using the joystick on my gimbal, but normally I would go over there and the camera would track me, but I've lost all those functions, so that's not good. So yeah, I need to try and find an updated app, or I don't know, update the firmware on it or something. So I need to look into that when I get back, because the visual experience isn't as it should be. Anyway, I'm just approaching one of my apple trees, so I'm going to check on that and see how that's doing. And the answer to that is, it's not. Can't see it. It was here. So it's either been ripped up or trampled, or there is a strong smell of fox, but I'm pretty sure he or she hasn't taken it. No, I can't see it. Unless it's further in. No, I'm sure. No, it was about here. It was about here and it's not there. Right, we need to go and check on the other one. Oh, what's that? No, that's a bramble. No, it's definitely not here. I know it's not going to be blooming with blossom or fruit at this time of year, but no, definitely can't see it. Right, we're heading off in that direction. That's where the nesting box is of the kestrel, and just over there, over the little footbridge, is my other apple tree, so we'll go check on that one. Oh, that's one of them. That's one of the ones I planted right in the middle of the meadow, so I never expected it to do much, but it is there. There's my little stick that I put in to prop it up. It did have string on there, but you can see it's gone a bit wooey. Well, there's one of them. See if we can find the other one now. Now that one's looking good. And quite a bit of, it's about 4 foot, that one now. That one's doing really well. So if you're wondering why I've not done any videos for a long while, it's a couple of things really. Life, getting in the way of stuff, not getting in the way, but you know how it is. I've started another YouTube channel because I bought a 2007 VW Transporter that had been converted into a camper van. I bought that back in July. And I've been doing some videos on that, just trying to get that channel up and running. So if that's something you might be interested in, then just go onto YouTube and search for Casper Van Life. There's quite a few videos I've done on there about the van, upgrades and modifications I've done to like the camper van side of things, repairs. So yeah, that's a new channel I'm just getting up and running. So that's another reason why I've not been concentrating on this channel as much. But I am carrying on with this channel. The videos will, you know, start building up again when I start getting out more, especially in the van. When I go out in the van, I'll be maybe going on hikes or camps or stuff like that. So I'll be doing videos on that. And if I do any little walks, nature walks, then obviously that'll appear on this channel. So yeah, Casper Van Life. So go and have a look at that. Click on subscribe, and you'll be more than welcome to join me. So, local woodland update. Not a lot's changed really. A couple of trees down. That's been a result of the high winds we've had recently. It's very wet. The stream's really high. The fox is still around. My apple trees are doing okay. One's gone missing. But yeah, they're doing all right. One slightly better than the other. And yeah, not a lot going on, to be honest, in this video, so I apologise for that. But I do hope to get out more as the seasons change, and obviously anything I find, I'll be bringing it to you guys. So just a short one today. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do click on that subscribe button down below. And as always, don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'm off to go and try and find a updated app for my gimbal, and I'll see you on the next video.